Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. I am Kishore and today we will solve a Thermo Sudoku. This Thermo Sudoku is created by Sed Holaysan, an author from the Philippines. The theme of the Sudoku is the Philippines Independence Day, which falls on the 12th of June, hence the digits 6, 1 and 2. The rules of the Sudoku are, in addition to standard Sudoku rules, there are some thermometer shapes in the grid. In each of the thermometer, starting from the round bulb until the end of the thermometer, the digits will be strictly increasing. Now with that, we'll start solving the Sudoku. Now in column 1, we can see that 9 cannot be in row 7 column 1 or row 9 column 1. So the only place for 9 in column 1 is in row 5 column 1, because 9 cannot be in any of these cells, which means that there has to be a digit which is greater than 9 here. So 9 has to be in this cell. Now if we look closely at this thermometer, it is of length 7. So the maximum value that can be present at this bulb is a 3, because if it is anything more than a 3, then for example if this is a 4, then this will be a minimum 5, this will be minimum 6, this will be minimum 7, this will be minimum 8, this would be minimum 9, and this becomes 10. So this can be a maximum of 3. We will go ahead and pencil mark that. So this will be 1, 2, 3, and this will be 2, 3 or 4. This is not going to be a 3, so this can only be a 4 or a 5. This can only be 5 or 6, but 6 is not possible because 6 is in row 2. So this is going to be a 5, and that forces this cell to be a 4, this to be a 2 or a 3. Sorry, this will be a 2 or a 3, and this will be a 1 or a 2. Now this is going to be 6 or 7, and this will be 7 or 8. Now we have 7 in column 1, so this cell, row 3 column 1 will be a 6, and this cell, row 4 column 1 will be an 8. Now the left out digits in column 1 are 1 and 2. We will pencil mark them here. Now 9 can be pencil marked in box 1 in one of these two cells. Okay, this thermometer starting at row 5 column 2 is of length 5. So the maximum value that can be present in this cell is 5, because if it's anything more than a 5, then we cannot satisfy the thermometer. So this is going to be maximum 5, but 5 is in column 2, so this can only be 1, 2, 3 or 4, but 3 is in that box, so we can remove the 3, and this will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 3 is again not possible. Now this will be 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we can't have a 3 because 3 is in box 4, and we can't have a 6 because 6 is in row 4. We can remove the 3 and a 6. So this will be 4, 5 and 7, and this will be 5, 6, 7 or 8, and this will be 6, 7, 8 and 9. But 5 and 6 are in that box, so we can remove the 5, 6 from row 3 column 3. And this, since this is 7 or 8, this has to be 8 or a 9. Now we'll initiate similar process in these thermometers. This thermometer is of length 6, so this can take a maximum of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but 6 is in that box already, so this cannot be a 4. This can only be 1, 2 or 3. This can be 2, 3, 4 and 5, but 5 cannot be in a row 5 column 8 because that will force a 6 to be here to satisfy the thermometer. So this can only be 2, 3 or 4, and this will only be 3, 4 or 5. This will be 4, 5, 6 and 7, but 6 is not possible, so this will be 4, 5, 7. This can be 5, 6, 7 and 8, but 5 is in row 7 and 6 is in column 9, so this can only be 7 or 8. This can only be 8 or 9. Now 3 can be removed from row 5 and column 8 because 3 is in that column. And we can use the similar idea along this thermometer. This can have a maximum value of 5, but 5 is not possible, so this can be only 1, 2, 3 and 4. This will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this will be 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. But we can remove the 5 and 6 from that cell because 5 is in row 9 and 6 is in column 9, so this is not going to be a 5 or a 6. And we can eliminate the 6 from the cell because 6 is in column 7, and we can eliminate the 5 along these cells. So now we have a triplet. This can only be 7, 8, 9, this can only be 7 and 8, and this can only be 8 and 9. So we can eliminate 7 and 8 from row 9 column 8 because 7, 8 and 9 will be locked in row 7, column 8, column 9 and row 9, column 9. So we can eliminate 7, 8 from row 9, column 8. So this means we can have only a 3 or 4 in the row 7, column, row 9, column 7. So this is going to be, that is row 8, column 7 is going to be 2 or 3, and this will be 1 or 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3 triplet along column 7, that is 1, 2 and 3 will be locked in these 3 cells. So this cell will be a 4 now, this is a 6, and this will be 1, 2 or 5, and this will be 1, 3 or 5 because 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are locked, and now the balanced digits are 1, 2, 3 and 5. So 3 cannot be here because it's in column 8. So this will be 1, 2 and 5, and this will be 1, 3 and 5. Okay, because 4 and 6 are in row 9, columns 7 and 8 respectively, the 4 and 6 in box 7 will be going in these 2 cells. There are no other cells left for the 4, 6 to go. This means that these 2 cells will be 3, 8 because 1, 2, 7, 4, 5, 6 and 9 have been locked in place. So row 9, columns 2 and 3 will be 3, 8 in some order, which removes the 8 from row 9, column 9. Now this is at least going to be a 5 because the thermometer is of length 5, so this will have to be at least 5, but 5 and 6 are not possible, so this has to be a 7, 8 or 9, and 8 is in that row already, so this will be a 7 or a 9. Now we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 3, 8 locked in place. So 1 and 2 are the remaining digits, so this will be 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. Okay, so now if you look closely at row 6, column 9, it cannot be a 7 because if this cell row 6, column 9 is 7, this immediately forces row 9, column 9 to be a 9 and row 7's column 8 and 9 to be 8 and 9 respectively. So this is a 7 again, this cell is 8, this cell is 9, and now both 7 and 9 are removed from this cell because there would be a 9 here and a 7 here. So 7 and 9 are both removed from this cell, which means that row 6, column 9 cannot be a 7. So when this is only a 4 or 5, this cannot be a 5. So this will be a 3 or a 4. And now this cannot be a 4. That is row 5 column 8 cannot be a 4 because the maximum value in row 5 column 9 can only be a 4. So this will be a 2 and this will be a 1, and that immediately forces row 5 column 2 to be a 4, which in turn forces this cell to be a 3, and a 3 can be removed from here. This will be a 1 or a 5. Now the only cell left for 3 in box 9 is here. This will be a 3 and 1 is here, so this should be a 2. This will be a 1 or a 5. And now we can fill the 1 and 2 pencil marked in box 7. Okay, we can remove 2 and 4 from over there. The minimum possible values is 5 and maximum is 6, so this cannot be 4 or a 5, because if this is 5, that is row 4 column 3 is 5, then this will be 6, which will violate the thermo. So this is going to be 7, this will be 8, and this is 9. And using classic rules, because of the 4 in row 5 column 2, this is going to be a 4, this will be a 6. Along row 8, the balance digits are 2, 4 and 8, and row 8 column 5 will be at least a 4. So it can only be a 4 or 8. Now if this cell is a 4, this immediately forces this thermo to have a 1, because 4, 3, 2 and 1, but 1 is not possible. So this will have to be an 8, and this forces a row 9 column 5 to be a 9, and this to be a 7. This is 8, this is 9. And now 3, 6 and 7 have to be there, so this cannot be a 3. This will be a 6, 7, this will be a 3, 6, 7, and these two cells will be 2, 4. And because 5 and 6 are in column 2, 5 and 6 are forced in box 4 in these two cells. And now 1 and 2 can be pencil marked in these two cells, and that forces row 1 column 2 to be a 3 and row 2 column 2 to be a 7 using classic rules. And we can place the 3 now in box 7 and the 8 in box 7. Now along row 5, the balanced digits are 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9 are locked in place. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8 to be filled, and this cannot be a 7 because 8, then we cannot fill these two cells. It cannot be a 6 as well, because if this is 6, then this would be 7 and this is going to be not taking any possible value. So this can only be a 5 now. That forces this to be a 5 and this to be a 6, and using classic rules with the help of the 7, this is a 7 and this is 8, and 7 can be filled in this cell now using classic rules. So this will be a 3 or a 6, and this will be a 3 or 6. So using thermo property, row 6 column 5 will be a 6, and now 9 in column 9 can only be in this cell. Using classic rules, 2 can only be in row 1 column 3 in box 1. So again we can use the classic rules along row 2. 1, 5, 7, 2 and 6 are locked in place. So the remaining digits are 3, 4, 8 and 9. We can't have 8 and 9 because 8, 9 are already placed. So this will be a 3 or a 4. This will be 3, 4 or 9. This will be 4 or 8, and this is going to be 3, 4, 8 and 9. Using classic rules, we can place 6 in box 2. 6 is in row 2 and row 3, so 6 will be forced here, and that forces 6 to be here and a 3 to be here. So we can remove the 3 now immediately from row 2 column 4. This is going to be a 1, 4 or 5 along the column 9. So 9 has to be pencil marked in one of these two cells, because 9 is in box 3 and 9 can only be in these two cells along column 7. Now the remaining digits are 5, 7 and 8, because 1, 6, 9 and 2, 3 and 4 are confined. So this is going to be 5, 7 or 8, and this will be 5, 7 or 8, but 7 is not possible, so we can remove the 7 from that cell. And here 8 is not possible, we can remove the 8. Okay, using classic rules, the only digit that can be in row 1 column 5 is 1, and this means we can fill the 5, 8 pair, and that forces a row 2 column 8 to be a 4 and a row 3 column 9 to be a 1. This will be 5 now, this is 1 and this is 4, and now 7 can be filled in row 3 column 7. Okay, using classic rules along column 8, we have to fill 5, 7 and 8, but 7 and 8 are in row 4, so this cell has to be a 5, this will be a 5, this is 8 and this is 7, this is going to be 8 and this will be 9. Okay, the only place where 5 can be in box 2 is going to be a row 3 and column 6, and now 2, 4 can be pencil marked here. This forces, since 4 is in one of these two cells, so this cell will be a 3, and this has to be an 8 now, and this will be a 9, and along column 6 3 can be filled in row 4 column 6 only. So this is going to be a 2 now, because 4 is in row 6, and this will be a 4, this will be a 2, this is a 2 and this is a 4, and 1 and 9 can be filled now using classic rules, and this is a 4, and that finishes the Sudoku. So this had a very neat solve. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Hope to see you soon.